plan? What's your actual plan here? Because all I see is a mess.
Just wait. You don't have to understand.
Oh, now she's arranging
Yes.
things. Anyway, I'm already set up. Yeah, I've got some water just in case I get parched.
Hi guys! Hi! I want to introduce you.
Yeah.
Hi guys, Tuke here. I have AFOPE here with me. She's a trichologist who just started her YouTube channel. And we're recording 2 videos today. First one is going to be on my channel and it's beauty related, and the second one is on her channel and it's hair related. So make sure you subscribe to both our channels and then go on to hers to watch it. So this is the 5-minute makeup challenge. And battle lines have been drawn, our tools are out, our weapons of warfare.
Guys, your girl has been talking all kinds of smack.
We're ready for this, so yeah, wish me luck. May the best woman win.
Woo! So guys, here are the ground rules. Like Tuke said, we have 5 minutes to put on as much makeup as we can. So how we're going to determine the winner is whoever has the most amounts of products
Applied properly,
of course, within that 5 minutes. So
AFOPE's sister, who's actually my baby's namesake, Tyranny. There are 2 Tyrannies in the house, so she's going to be like the counter.
Our timekeeper.
So
I'm going to attempt to use lashes. I don't know what Tuke's strategy is. If you guys can see her section of the table versus my section of the table, I think it's very easy to deduce who actually has a plan. So yeah, we'll see how this goes.
3, 2, 1, go.
While some have already started applying makeup, some are still moisturizing. Tuke, you moved my mirror.
Sorry.
You're not sorry. These are all your little tricks and tactics.
I'm
Adjudicator, she's cheating.
30 seconds down.
Oh God. I look like a clown right now. God have mercy. I didn't even know. My whole plan is messed up. The whole plan.
Oh my gosh, you moved your mirror.
Yes. I feel like she should. Can I get 30 more seconds? Because dating has been unfair.
First minute complete.
What?
4 minutes left.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they weren't ready.
Oh lolo.
Okay, God. God help me.
Hi guys, so the memory card sort of went off on us, so yeah, if anything looks different, that's what happened. So we're gonna start it.
We paused at 2 minutes.
3 minutes.
2 minutes. We
Yeah.
have 3 minutes.
So we paused at 1 minute 15 seconds. Right?
So we have 3 minutes.
2 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa, wait.
2, 1, go.
Dating started before.
Just start.
Yeah, I've lost my just too.
3 minutes left.
Jesus. How many?
2 minutes left.
You didn't give us
No,
so
it
much.
literally just happened now.
This guy's spending too much time talking. lashes.
No.
30 seconds
Lies,
left.
lies.
1.5 minutes left.
No, no, no. Afam, did I see your hand?
1
Oh my
minute
God.
left.
Ah!
1 minute left.
So you might not see it because it's subtle, but blush. I use blush. Yeah.
You did blood.
And I've used 2 types of highlighter. Katie, stop doing stuff around.
40 seconds left.
I'm using highlighter.
Does this count differently? Like it's different.
30 seconds left.
You have to give us 10 seconds.
20 seconds left. 10-second countdown.
You
10,
said you're not really countdown.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Done.
4, 3,
Woo. Yeah. Today.
1. Stop.
Hey, girl. Look at
Lashes.
this. Look at this beauty.
Lashes.
Please look at this beauty.
So I started off with some eyeshadow, and then I used some. Guys, this is my beauty secret, by the way. So if I see any of you doing it, I'll know where you got it from. Got to be glued and a brush to brush my eyebrows. So that's 2 products, right? Because you said brushes don't count. And then I used my concealer to line my brows. So that's 3. So then I used my Radiant Creamy Concealer. So that's 4. And then I used my eyeliner. So that's what? 5. And then lashes. What's that? 6. And oh yes, blush. So this.
Hey, God. I feel like I should be in this shot also. In the frame.
So
Look at this beauty.
wait, is it your turn? Is it? Can you? Hello. So I used some blush. So I'll give a shout out to Tuke because she actually let me borrow her blush because I forgot mine at home.
It's good sportsmanship.
Good sportsmanship, yeah. So what's that? 7? 7, yes? Okay. And then I put some mascara on the corners of my bottom eyelids. 8. And then I went in with some highlighter or shimmer or whatever you guys call it these days. 9. And then I used my lip gloss.
10.
10. And then I finished it off with setting spray because if this hair is going to count primer,
Okay.
setting spray counts. 11.
Okay. Thank you. So I started off with some primer.
Get out of the shot.
No, because I need to see.
And then I used my daily.
Wait.
Let's arrange
Start
this.
from the beginning.
Let's arrange. I started off with my primer,
Mm.
1. Then my daily eye pencil, 2. And then I used my MAC concealer, Tuke, 3. And then I used 2 eyeliners actually. No, but that counts as well. I'm just letting them know. I used liquid first, and then I now use gel. on
If
top.
you like, use
Whatever, 4.
crayon.
And then I use mascara. Mascara. Wait, I see. Mascara, no mascara.
Yeah, the Yoruba just
Mascara.
jumped out.
Mascara, 5.
5.
Then I used foundation, 6. Some powder, 7. I used
Did she really use that
Blush?
powder? Did anybody see her use that
Sorry.
powder?
I used blush, 8. I used the highlighter thingy, That's what.
11.
Hey! So, Talo win.
What do you mean? Mine was 11.
11.
Mine was no, wait.
It
It was 11. Do you want to start counting again?
Was it really?
Yes, guys. Look at how she's even after we've said it, she's still trying to go back.
Because you use lashes.
In terms of amount of products used, we tied. But in terms of execution, I think we all know who the real winner is.
We'll let you guys let us know in the comment section below,
Yeah.
please. Thank you.
Guys, don't feel like you have to be nice because it's her channel. Just be honest. Be honest.
So yeah, thanks so much for watching this 5-minute challenge video. I actually just remembered a while ago I did a 5-minute makeup video by myself like maybe 3 years ago on my channel. So I'll link it up below so you can watch it and see my makeup game has improved. But yeah, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Tuke and
AFOPE ATOYEBI.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then head on over to her channel to see the hair challenge.
This girl got primer, you guys.
Me.
My chest. Do you see why you adding things? You got lip gloss and comments. No. Where did you take the
I
comments?
already commented my lips.
Wait, primer can't count.
It can't.
Because it's like moisturizer. If I use
No,
moisturizer,
it's to
will it
make the
count?
makeup stay.
Do you think you're going to get time to do all of this? 5 minutes.
See, hello, the eyeliner I applied before has not finished.
Yeah, well, get a better eyeliner. I mean,
This is the best.
This is
this
the
is the
best.
best.
This is the best they can
Ah!
do.
No. You cannot take that